Imagine this. You are feeling down, anxious, or just need someone to talk to. But your regular therapist is unavailable, or maybe you are not ready to see one yet. What if you could confide in a friendly AI chatbot instead? This is the promise of AI therapy, a growing field where artificial intelligence is used to provide mental health support. But can a robot truly understand and help with our complex human emotions? Or is it just a sophisticated illusion of care? The idea of talking to a machine about our feelings might seem strange at first. We are used to human connection being at the heart of therapy. But as technology advances, so does the potential for AI to play a role in our mental well-being. In this essay, we will explore the rise of AI therapy, examining its benefits, drawbacks, and the crucial question: can AI ever truly replace human connection when it comes to our mental health? One of the most well-known AI therapists is Woebot. Developed by Stanford psychologists, Woebot is a friendly chatbot that uses cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to help users manage anxiety and depression. Users can chat with Woebot through a mobile app, receiving personalized support and guidance anytime, anywhere. And Woebot is not alone. Other AI therapy apps like Wysa and Wysa are gaining popularity for their accessibility and convenience. Many users report positive experiences with these AI therapists, finding them helpful for managing stress, improving mood, and developing healthier coping mechanisms. These apps offer a glimpse into a future where mental health support could be readily available at our fingertips. This brings us to a critical question. Can AI truly understand human emotions? The answer, at least for now, is not so straightforward. While AI can process and analyze language, it lacks the lived experience and emotional depth of a human therapist. AI cannot truly empathize with your struggles or understand the nuances of your emotions. However, AI can be trained to recognize patterns in language and behavior that suggest certain emotional states. For example, if you tell an AI therapist that you are feeling hopeless or can't get out of bed, it can identify these as potential signs of depression. Based on this analysis, the AI can then offer appropriate support or resources, drawing from its vast database of information. So, how does AI therapy actually work? At the heart of these systems lies natural language processing, or NLP, which is a branch of AI that enables computers to understand and interpret human language. Through NLP, AI therapists like Woebot can understand the meaning behind our words. Even if we use slang, make typos, or, express ourselves in ways that aren't perfect. These AI therapists are also trained on vast data sets of conversations between real patients and therapists. This helps them learn effective communication strategies, therapeutic techniques, and appropriate responses in different situations. By combining NLP with principles of CBT and sentiment analysis, which is basically identifying positive, negative, or neutral emotions in text, AI therapists can provide interactions that are, honestly, surprisingly human-like. Like any new technology, AI therapy comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. One of the biggest benefits is accessibility. AI therapists are available 24/7, offering immediate support without the wait times or geographical limitations of traditional therapy. They also provide a level of anonymity that some users find comforting, allowing them to open up without fear of judgment. However, AI therapy also has its drawbacks. The lack of genuine empathy and human connection can be a major limitation. While AI can offer support and guidance, it cannot really replicate the warmth, understanding, and nuanced responses of a human therapist. Additionally, privacy concerns arise with the storage and use of sensitive personal data shared during therapy sessions. The rise of AI therapy prompts us to ask ourselves an important question. Would we trust a bot with our deepest thoughts and feelings? While AI can simulate empathy and provide readily available support, it lacks the depth and complexity of human connection. Would the convenience and anonymity of AI therapy outweigh the absence of a truly empathetic human presence? Is it a viable option for those who cannot access traditional therapy, or could it perhaps hinder genuine emotional growth? The answers likely vary depending on individual needs and preferences. The development of AI therapy is still in its early stages. As technology advances, we can expect to see more sophisticated and personalized AI therapists in the future. Imagine AI therapists that can analyze your voice tone, facial expressions, and even physiological data to tailor their responses and support. The integration of AI into mental health raises many questions and possibilities. Can AI help us break down stigma and make mental health care more accessible? Or will it create new challenges and ethical dilemmas? As we venture further into this uncharted territory, one thing is clear. The future of mental health is likely to be intertwined with the evolving capabilities of AI.